Thomas, I'm sorry I thought you were a tricky engine. And Hiro, I'm sorry I called you a heap of scrap. You are both fine engines and fine friends.
Just then, the Duke and Duchess arrived for their holiday. They were delighted with their new summer house. That night, Thomas and Hiro were resting. Their axles ached and their wheels were weary. Thomas saw that Hiro was sad.
What's the matter, Hiro?
You have been very kind, Thomas. The best friend I could ever have. But I want to go home.
I understand, Hiro. I can help you. Wait here.
And before Hiro could puff master of the railway, Thomas had chuffed away.
Sir, I need your help. I know you will understand. Hiro wants to go home. He hasn't been home for a very long time, and he misses his friends and his island.
I understand, Thomas. You did well to ask me. Of course I will help you. Tell Hiro not to worry.
A few days later, all the engines were at Brendam Docks. They were very excited.
Here he comes, Thomas! Right, everyone. 1, 2, 3...
All the engines whistled. Then there was one long and low whistle. It was Hiro. Hiro chuffed slowly up the track and stopped by Thomas and Percy.
It's time for you to go home, Hiro.
It is, Thomas. I will never ever forget what you did for me. I will never forget you.
Perhaps I can visit you. Or perhaps you could come back and visit us one day.
Maybe, Percy.
Sodor will always be your home too, Hiro.
I know, Thomas. Thank you.